Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do Pilates for COVID recovery. You don't need anything at all, just something nice and soft to lie on. So go ahead, get yourselves ready and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so let us begin. So we're going to do lots of this lying down because I want to keep the energy levels down but get you kind of mobilized and stretched out. So let's start by lying down. We're going to have the knees bent, feet hip width apart, and we're just going to draw the shoulders down onto the floor underneath you. Now, one of the things that I've noticed with a lot of people with COVID is the sort of tightness in the chest. So we're going to work a little bit on opening the chest out. So let's bring the arms up, turn the palms in towards each other, and then we're going to breathe in to open the arms out. I want you to really stretch through those arms, not touching the floor, and then come back up. So you're going to inhale to open, exhale to come up. Inhale, open, and exhale, up. Inhale, open, and exhale, up. And one more, inhale, open, and exhale, up. Now I want you to keep your left hand where it is and extend your right arm and your right leg, reaching out along the floor, just stretching out that body. And then bring everything back to your start position. And we're going to do the left side. So we're just starting to stretch out that body and come back. So today is not about working hard. Today is about mobilizing the body, stretching the body, and just getting your system moving again. And back. Let's do one more each side. And back, and extend, and back. Now I want you to open your arms all the way down to the floor. Keep your feet where they are, but let your knees just drop over to the right-hand side. So we're going to get a little bit of rotation through the spine, and then coming back up, and then over the other way. So we're starting to move in that lower back, in the hips, and up. So let's add some breath to this. Inhale over, and exhale up. Inhale over, and exhale up. Inhale over, and exhale up. And one more, inhale over, and exhale up. So we're going to bring our arms down by our side now, and we're going to start to really move through that spine. So you're going to take a breath in. On the out breath, we're going to pull those abs in, tilting the pelvis, little stretch in that lower back, and then come back to your start position. So let's really add that breathing. Exhale, pulling in on the abdominals, tilting back. Inhale to return. Exhale, tilting back. Inhale to return. And one more, exhale to tilt. And inhale to return. So we're going to go into the pelvic curl now. So you're going to take a breath in. Breathe out, draw the abdominals in, so we're tilting, but now we're going to press into the feet and we're going to peel up off the floor. So we're pushing through the legs, articulating the spine. We're going to keep those ribs down. Okay, so we're looking after our lower back. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, softening through the chest, coming down through that spine, so really holding on to those abs as you come through that movement and back onto the mat. Deep breath in, you're going to exhale to tilt, rolling that spine up, lifting up. Inhale to hold, and exhale, softening through the chest and coming down. Let's do 2 more. Deep breath in. Breathing out to tilt. And roll that spine up. Inhale to hold. And exhale as you come down. And last one, deep breath in. Exhaling to tilt. And roll that spine up. Inhale to hold. And exhale, coming all the way down and back onto the mat. Now we're going to lift the right leg up. We're going to do a little bit of work with the hips. We're going to keep this short, okay? So I want you just to extend your left leg along the floor, take your arms out to the side, and imagine you're drawing a circle with your knee, okay? So you're going to take the knee forward, out to the side, and up. Forward, out, and up. Forward, out, and up. One more. Forward, out, and up. Now we're going to reverse the direction. So we're going out to the side and circle around. Out and circle around. Out and circle around. One more. Out and circle around. Take your hands underneath that leg and let's just extend that leg to wherever you can reach, stretching out the hamstring, holding it here, taking some deep breaths. One more deep breath in and out. Now I want you to flex that foot, feeling the stretch in the calf muscle, and just take that leg all the way down to the floor. Leave it resting there, and let's bring the other leg up. Okay, so we're going to bring this knee up. We're going to take our arms back out to the side, circles here. So we're going to inhale forward, exhale out and up. Inhale forward, exhale around. Inhale forward, exhale around, and forward and around. We're going back in the other direction. Inhale out and exhale around. Inhale out and exhale around. Inhale out and exhale around. Last one, out and exhale around. Let's take the hand underneath that leg, extending up. We're going to hold 3 deep breaths here. So inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And one more, inhale and exhale. Flexing that foot so you can feel that calf stretch, and then gently taking the leg all the way down to the floor. Okay, so we're going to bend both our knees. I'm going to get you to roll towards me now onto your side. And what we're going to do is we're going to lie on this shoulder. Okay, so we're going to reach this arm through, lying on your shoulder, making sure you've got a gap between shoulder and ear. And then you're going to place the head down. One hand on top of the other. So get yourself comfy in your lower half. And then what you're going to do is you're going to inhale, bringing the arm up. You're going to turn your head to look towards that hand. And as you exhale, we're going to try and rotate around. So this is really going to stretch you through the front of the body and also get that spine moving. You're going to inhale up and exhale down. We'll do one more. Inhale, lifting up. Looking towards that hand. Exhale, rotating. So try and feel that rib cage turning as you look behind you. Good. And lift. and lower down. Now we're going to change the arm movement. So as you inhale, the arm is going to raise up like so. It's like you're drawing a circle on the floor. It's going to go behind you, and as it does, turn your head to look behind you. Keep the arm moving and bring it all the way around, over the hip and back to the start position. And one more. Here we go, lifting up, really reaching out, stretching, coming all the way around, over the hip and back to that start position. Wonderful. You're going to take this hand, push yourself up and release that arm. Okay, so now we're lying on the arm. We've got our knees bent, hand on this hip. You're going to press this hip away. So we're using our oblique muscles here. And then we're going to exhale to open the knee up and inhale to lower down. You're going to exhale to open and inhale to lower. Two more. Exhale to open. Inhale, lower. And exhale to open. And inhale to lower. Well done. Let's come on up. Let's go do that on the other side. Okay, so we're lying down. We're going to bring this hand across. This arm is going to go under. So you're lying on the shoulder. Remember, we want this little gap here. Okay? And then one hand on top of the other. Knees and back comfortable, but think of that back elongating. So we're going to do the open book. We're going to inhale, lifting this arm up, looking up towards that hand. Exhale, we're going to open out, stretching through the chest. And you're going to inhale, lift, and exhale to lower down. Again, you're going to inhale, lifting up. Exhale to open. Inhale to lift. And exhale to lower. Now we're going to do the circular movement. So the hand is going to go above the head. It's going to circle around, and as you feel your spine turn, you're going to let your head turn, follow that hand all the way around, back over the hip, and back to that start position. And again, lifting up, and circle. Good, all the way around, and back to that start position. From here, we're going to push ourselves up. We're going to reach that arm out, coming into the clam shell. So hand on that hip and just press that hip away. So we're trying to align the hips there. And then we're going to exhale to open and inhale to lower. Exhale to open, inhale to lower. Two more. Exhale, open, and inhale, lower, and exhale, open, and inhale, lower. Okay, so we're going to come onto our front now. What we're going to do here is we're just going to do a little back extension. We're going to finish with this exercise. So we want the elbows down, feet slightly apart. Okay, shoulders drawing down. And I want you to pull your tummy in away from the mat. Then from here, you're going to take a breath in. And as you breathe out, think of your head reaching out. And you're going to start to lift your chest away from the floor. We're coming up onto the elbows. Now, depending how your back feels, if you want to go further, we can do a little tricep press up, pressing into those elbows, coming up, eye line straight ahead. Make sure you're pulling the tummy in. All right, so we're protecting that back. And you're going to inhale there. And as you exhale, coming down through the tricep press up, and then back down onto the mat. And again, deep breath in. Exhale, starting to lift. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Pressing into those hands, coming up. Finding that nice stretch in the body. Inhale. And exhale. As you come down, and this next one will be our last one. Deep breath in. exhale, lifting up. Just enjoying the stretch, enjoying waking up the body there. Hold for a moment, take a breath in. And exhale. Returning down to the floor. Well done. Hands under your shoulders. You're going to push yourself up. We're going to come into a kneeling position. And you're going to take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, you're going to tuck your tailbone under and just stretch your spine the other way. So let the head drop down, pulling those abdominals in here. Inhale. And as you exhale, coming back the other way. Deep breath in. Exhale, tucking under. Inhale. And exhale, return. One more deep breath in. Exhale, tucking under. Inhale. And exhale, return. Well done. And we'll leave it there for today. So that was your Pilates for recovery from COVID. So I tried to gauge it. So we're opening up the chest. We're doing lots of breathing and just small amounts of movement until you get your energy back. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you feel better soon. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care and bye for now. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then you can buy me a virtual cup of coffee on Ko-fi. See all the details down below in the description box.